Hello students, today we will study a very interesting chapter of your EVS and the name of the chapter is Up in the Sky. So before starting that, students, can you tell me that what are the things that you see in the sky? Sun, moon, stars and clouds. So today in this chapter we will study about the things that we see in the sky and about the solar system. So firstly, what is the sky? The sky is the space over the earth. You can see the picture. On which planet you live? On the earth. The sky is the space over the earth. In the sky, we see many things like the sun, the moon and the stars. And the sky is also called space. The sky is also called space. Here our headings come: the sun and the solar system. During the day, we see in the sky. As you see that in the daytime, you see the sun in the sky. And just because of the sun, we find that the days are very hot. If you see the noon time, you will always see that the noon time is always hot. And it gives us heat and light, as it is a huge ball of fire. The sun is a huge ball of fire and it gives us heat and light. So we can read here: during the day we see the sun in the sky. The sun is a huge ball of hot gases and it gives us heat and light. We cannot go near the sun because it is made up of a lot of hot gases and it is very hot. It gives us heat and light, and the sun makes the day warm and bright. Warm means hot and bright means shine. The sun makes the day warm and bright. On rainy or cloudy day, we cannot see the sun. You always experience about the rainy day and when you see the cloudy days, that we are unable to find the sun because there are that time many clouds. The sun helps living things to live. Living things means the sun is very important for plants, animals and for every creature on the earth. It helps them to grow. The sun appears to rise in the east and sets in the west. We always see that in the morning time the sun always rises from the east and sets in the west in the evening time. The sun appears to be alone in the sky, but it is not so. Actually, we just see that in the noon time that only sun is there in the sky, only sun is present there, nothing else. But it is not like that. Now we will study about those things that we are unable to see, that what are the things are present near the sun. The sun is surrounded by many objects that move around it. You can see this picture. This is called solar system. This is our sun, and I told you that whenever we see in the sky at the noon time, we find that nothing except the sun, no object is present there. But it is not like that. Many moving objects are present there that we are unable to see them because they are very far from us. Among the many objects that move around the sun, there are 8 large planets. Are you seeing in this picture? Some round objects are there and all the objects move. So these 8 are planet. The names of the planet are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. As you see in this picture, around the sun, the first planet that comes around the sun is Mercury. Then on second number is Venus, and on third number is Earth that we live on. Fourth is Mars, then fifth is Jupiter, then sixth is Saturn, 7 is Uranus and 8 is Neptune. Together the sun and these 8 planets are called solar system. Together they make a solar system. Together what? The sun and the 8 planets. As the day ends after the sunset, then what happened? Then the night begins. Now firstly we will see how day and night comes. Apart from the moving around the sun, the earth also spins. The earth on which we live also spins. Day and night occur because the earth spins. Day and night occur because the earth spins. The planet on which we will live, it also spins. And the part of the earth that faces the sun has the daytime. The other part that does not face the sun is dark and has night. You can see this is the picture of our earth. You can see just it spinning. Means half part is facing the sun and that face is facing the sun has daytime, and which is not having is the dark side, and it is called the night. As the earth spins, day changes into night and night changes into day. Means the face of the earth that faces the sun has the daytime, and the part that does not face the sun is the dark and the night side, and like this day and night comes. At night we can see the moon and the stars in the sky. Now we will study about the moon. We see the moon in the sky at night only. The moon is our nearest neighbor. Which is our nearest neighbor? The moon is our nearest neighbor, and it is round in shape. What is the shape of the moon? It is round in shape. As the earth moves around the sun, the moon moves around the earth. Just listen it very carefully, students. As the earth moves around the sun, in the upper part I told you, our earth moves around the sun. Like that, the moon moves around the earth. The moon is much smaller than the sun, and the moon does not have any lights of its own. Like the sun we have read about, sun has its own light and it gives us heat and light. But the moon has not its own light. It shines because it reflects the light of the sun. We can see only the part of the moon that reflects light towards us, and this way the moon changes its shapes every night. Okay, so we have studied that the moon has not its own light. It reflects only because of the light of the sun. And at night we see the stars also. We see many stars in the sky at night. Stars too give us light. Like the sun, stars too give us the light. Actually, stars are very big in size, but they look as small because they are far away from us. and in the sky we can see many group of stars appear to form different patterns or shapes in the sky. So in a nutshell, what we have read, the 8 planets and the sun together form the solar system. The sun shines during the day and it gives us light and heat. And the moon and the stars are seen at night. So dear students, you just read this chapter, go through the chapter again and try to do the exercise, take the correct answer, and next one is think and answer.